are you today? I decided to make my own version of pistachio tiramisu with Starbucks coffee. I bought this one this morning. I'll show you my pistachio, okay? Pistachio cream. Look at my pistachio cream. That's the one. So I have my black coffee. And then I have my pistachio cream. Trifle ba tawag dito? I don't know. And my lady fingers. So ito lang yung ingredients. So, kasi marami akong tirang mga lady fingers. So, ito guys is for us lang. Kaya hindi na ako nag-gloves. Kasi, pangkain lang namin. So, you can do whatever you like. And then, a layer of my pistachio cream. Napanood ko to and then, oh my God, natakam agad ako. There you go, look at that. Second layer. And we're gonna make the third layer na siya. Guys, third layer. It smells so good. And parang ang ano niya guys. Hindi talaga tayo papayat nito. You like it? I think you're gonna be, ano.
I think we're gonna be back.
I know. You know, hindi na talaga tayo papayat. And then that's.
Hey guys.
And then I made a pistachio sauce. This is my pistachio sauce, guys. This is a combination of blah and blah.
Secret.
Okay,
Okay, wait
let's
lang.
pour. So we're gonna pour it na. Then let's. So here you go guys. Here's my pistachio tiramisu. Pero kasi I didn't put strawberries, so yan guys, look at that. It's very pretty. Ang ganda niya guys. Kasi gusto nilang kainin yung tinda ko and I said I cannot give it to you. Here you go guys, look at that. It's very pretty. So we're going to freeze this or put in the fridge for about 4 hours. And then after that, we're ready to dig in. I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'm in love with the baker. I'm only taker. Can't you see that you and me are